Hello everyone. This application is all about importing data from FTP server. First we will install our module, and after installing the module we will go into the settings, and here we will configure our FTP server with Odoo. So we go into the technical tab and we go into the FTP server over here. We create a new FTP server, we click on new and we will assign any name. I'm assigning the name test1. Then we will provide a STP server name. So this is my FTP server name, and I will assign FTP server username, and I will assign a password. Once it's done, we will save it and we will click on test and confirm. Here we can see our FTP server is confirmed. Now we go into the we will go into technical again. We will go into the FTP server configuration. We will create now we will configure our FTP server and import here. So first we create a new. Here we have FTP server name which we have already created. As we can see, test one is already there, so we will click on the test one. Here we can add any model name, account, analytical account, bank account, and I am going to add sales order. Then here we will assign the FTP path. So this is the FTP path. So I will assign the FTP path, and here I will add all the lines. Uh, Customer and customer reference, then company order lines, and we will save. While save, after saving it, we can see that in order lines we have one field over here, and when we click it, we go into the order lines and we can add over here few lines. I can I will add product and quantity, and we will save it. After saving this, we can generate a CSV file by generate CSV file button. When we click it, it will create one CSV file. We open it and we can see it will import the customer reference, company order lines, product and quantity field which we have already assigned, and we have to fill this Excel. And after filling this Excel, our Excel will look like this. We have added customer Gemini Furniture, Lumber INC. We have added a customer reference, company name. We will not assign the order lines because it will take automatically when we import. Then we will add product, flip over drawer, and the quantity. Now we'll go into the technical again, and then we will go into the schedule action button. Here it is, schedule action button. We go into there, and here it is. Here the import data from FTP server is there. When we click onto this, and we have one smart button which is run manually, we click on that and it will load automatically. And then we will go into the log details to check whether our data is imported or not. When we go into the log details, here you can see our data is imported, and we can check which data is imported by going into the sales. We'll remove the filter, and here you can see the lumber and Germany furniture are added. In lumber we have drawer and flip over. So this is the functionality of import data from the FTP server. If you have any query regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.